Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix do not disturb turning on automatically on iPhone. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your settings, then you scroll down a little, then you click on focus. Once you click on focus, then you're going to click on do not disturb option, which is automatically on right now. Then you're going to scroll down a little, then you check the schedule. You can see I actually have a schedule being set on this do not disturb option, which actually automatically turn on the do not disturb option on my phone. So I'm just going to click on the schedule, then I can easily turn it off or just simply delete the schedule, and that is how to fix do not disturb turning on automatically on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.